I'm gonna ask for winter break off. Yeah, I think I can do that. Just asking for a winter break off. That's all you gotta do. I have something to ask you guys. Can I take a Christmas break off? No. Why? Okay, so yeah. Guess what time of year it is?
It's hump day.
Christmas time. So you know what that means. Christmas cookies. So on today, with Cooking with Cole.
We're gonna ruin some Christmas cookies.
Yeah. Just like what she said. So yeah, we made like the cookie dough and stuff already. So I'm just gonna add in a few things like some chocolate syrup. Yeah, no, you're like, chocolate syrup, that ain't gonna be bad.
It's not chocolate syrup, it's chocolate pudding.
It's still chocolate.
But it's not syrup.
Okay. I'm gonna mix it in there. A few. Just one. Oh, and this stuff is going to be for later.
What's it gonna be for, Cole?
It's like icing! Yeah!
Icing.
Woo! Icing. Okay. So now I'm gonna mix this up. I don't know how, but sure.
Are you using your hands?
Using my hands.
No, don't knead it. I mean, just, okay. I mean, you can knead it though.
What? This is actually a lot tougher than it looks.
So I said knead it.
I don't know what kneading means.
Use your hands.
It's already on the spoon though.
Grab it like this. This exact motion, but with your hands. Inside the bowl with the dough. There we go.
Yeah.
These are washable.
Ugh. This feels weird.
You should probably go wash your hands.
Yeah, but I'm gonna try and get most of this back in there.
You're gonna knead it again with the spinach. You should have added both at once.
Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna add some spinach in there. So I've had spinach in like forever.
Good. Spinach is nasty when it's cooked.
I won't lie, it smells like oysters.
It looks like seaweed.
Yeah, it does.
Stop smelling it.
But it smells good.
Just put it in the bowl.
So I'm just gonna add a little bit. Alright, let's do this again. Finessing it. Or whatever it's called. Oh.
Kneading.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you have to roll the dough with your hands anyways. It can help with that part.
Alright, that's enough for me on that one. So now I guess I'm going to make cookies somehow.
So we'll get the pan. No. Cole.
I don't know how to make cookies.
Well, you take it. You grab a little bit.
Uh-huh.
A little nut. And you roll it together and it makes a little ball. It makes a little cookie.
Mm-mm.
It smells horrible.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Ew. I think we need to add a little bit more.
Oh no.
These cookies are gonna be huge.
These cookies are gonna be nasty.
Nasty.
You little nasty.
You're nasty.
Okay, Raven Simone.
Woo! Got them in the cookie form. So now what I'm gonna do is put them in the oven so they can bake.
For 10 minutes.
For 10 minutes. So timer, 10. And while we're doing that, I think we're gonna make some frosting to put on top of them. We're gonna mix in some guacamole and the pink stuff. Because you gotta love the pink stuff.
Looks like Pepto-Bismol.
Yeah, it does look like that. And it smells like it's garlic. It's the world's famous creamy garlic salad dressing. It's salad dressing. I don't know if I'd like it on my salad. So yeah, we're gonna get some in there. Yeah. I'd probably say that's about good enough. And then we'll add the guacamole.
Guacamole, guacamole.
I got it on the counter.
Oh no.
What will I do? We'll make the intern or whatever you think she'll be called. But you love doing it, don't you?
No.
So I'm just gonna stir it in, and it still looks like guacamole.
Guacamole.
And I think we're gonna taste a little bit of it, see what it tastes like. That's not half bad. Woo! Made it a little spicy. Woo!
That is spicy, but I like it.
Cookies are done.
It literally did not count down that time. That or I just looked over when it said 1 second.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what these cookies look like.
Ooh, look at that gold brown bottom. Look at the garnish on that one.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna put some of this guacamole and pink stuff on top of them. Spread them around. All right, now I'm gonna add some red sprinkles. And then now I think I'm gonna try it. If I can get it in my hand. All right, you ready? It tastes like guacamole. Nothing else. A little bit of the spinach you could taste, which is terrible. But yeah. Other than that, I think these are a must try for the holidays. Just try them, see if you like them. And yeah, I think this will be it for our episode. And Merry Christmas. Bye. So guys, I think I'm gonna quit the show. Like, I need to go see my family.
Let's go.
I need